What's happening YouTube? It's your boy Tech TRX back in another video, and today we're looking at the Yeedi robot vacuum, and here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit that notification bell so you could be notified of the next videos to come of tips and tricks and unboxing just like this one. Check out my merch below at 1130.ca. Hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. Without further ado, let's go ahead and show you what this thing can do. Here we go. Basically, we're going to show you how well the vacuum does and also how well the app is also app powered. So we're going to show you the app and how well it does as well and how automated it is. Here we go. Some literature right here, instruction manuals, the vacuum itself right here with a little cloth. There we go. Comes with a little brush like so. It also comes with the docking station here, so you could charge the device, kind of like a home area for it. And then little charger or plug in, so that you could plug in the plug right there. There you go. That's it for that. Let's put this away. This is a Yeedi robot vacuum. Basically, it has a camera up here so that it'll sense and pretty much scan your room, which is really good. Power button up here. This one lifts up right here as well, which you'll see is the container here where all the garbage goes. There you go. You can pull that out and then clean it out as you go. Let's look at the bottom of the vacuum now. So here, as you could see, it comes with this part right here, so that you could take it off real easy and can be pulled out so that you can clean the brush as well. Pretty good. Just to put it back is real easy. Just have to do that and then it'll click down like so. Put this back onto the door and then click it down and you're good to go. This one as well has a lot of clearance. There you go, which is really nice. The front has a rotating ball there, so that's easy as well. Charging spots right there. On the back here comes off as well by doing that. There you go. The front is also movable, so that when it's bumping something, it'll detect that, which is really good, and it'll try to dodge it. The docking station is fairly simple. It has this charging part right here. The back has a slot for the power adapter. There you go. And the bottom, it comes with this little cushion on the back, and then it also comes with stickers on the front there. Maybe a little adhesive, nothing too crazy. It won't wreck the floor or nothing like that. It's just so that it won't move at all. Now we need to download the app. We're just gonna scan the QR code on the vacuum. Then we're just gonna download the app. We're just gonna register here, and then we're gonna show you how it works. Now that we verified our account, let's add a new device here, which is the K650 vacuum. First thing we need to do is to connect it to our local network on our Wi-Fi. Make sure our Wi-Fi is 2.4 gigahertz or else it won't work. It doesn't work on 5 gigahertz Wi-Fis. Now let's turn on our vacuum, and then we're gonna press the reset button for 1 second. Now from here is self setup. It's just gonna connect to our Wi-Fi, and then we'll be able to use our phone to control our vacuum. On the home screen, this is what it would look like, and basically you just hit the play button there so that it'll start vacuuming your floor. This is pretty much the loudness of the vacuum. It's a little bit amplified because of our camera, but for a general sense, this is what it would sound like at your home when it's cleaning. The robot vacuum, I find, is that it actually has some sort of mapping that it does. It does get caught at times like this one, but for the most part, it does follow some sort of a line where it won't miss theoretically, it'll try its best to not miss any floors. Every floor out here will be vacuumed, so that's really good. I was pretty impressed that it was able to get out of there. I thought it was just gonna get stuck, but it did well and it was able to get out. Now let's do a different challenge here where it's underneath our dining table and with a bunch of chairs there as well. Let's see it's able to like maneuver itself in there and clean the floors. Here's a different challenge now as well, transitioning on the floor to a rug, something like this, or maybe like a carpet or some sort. As you could see, it's able to do it, which is really good. It does struggle a bit because there's a little bit of a bump there, but it's able to get out and clean the rug without sucking it in or nothing like that. Another feature as well is it has a vacuum power where you could change it to max and max plus. As you could see, the vacuum sound there gets louder, good for a bigger mess. You can also do cleaning schedules, which is really good. Just put it whatever you want, and it'll clean on that time of day or time of make it every day or make it only the weekends, Monday to Friday or whatever. You can customize it to whatever you want. That's really good. As you can see, everything is automated. It'll even notify you if you need to clean the side brush. You can even the main brush and also the filters and other components. It'll have a certain amount of hours it needs to be cleaned, so you don't have to worry about it. It'll just give you a notification when it's ready to be cleaned. Here's another challenge for the vacuum. Two different mats here because my sink and my range is back to back, so I want two separate mats for it like this. So let's see if the vacuum is able to go over it and clean the whole mat. As you can see, it does struggle a little bit, but for the most part it's able to go up and down of it and also change the speed of the sucking on the vacuum, and it really depends on what it's detecting. It'll make it put it on standard, max, or max plus. Now the Yeedi also has a fall detection. As you can see, when it's close to the edge, it won't fall down. You won't have the vacuum falling down your stairs, so that's really good as well. And that's it for today, everyone. Thanks for watching. I hope I was able to help you on your choice on a brand new robot vacuum. If I was able to help you, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. Hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below, so go ahead and check that out. I'll see you guys next time and stay safe out there. Peace.